Thank you for taking the time to look at this Volkswagen used car. All our vehicles are part of the award-winning Dusk Auto programme, which offers exceptional value in terms of additional benefits and gives you the peace of mind you need when buying your next car. These benefits range from our skilled Volkswagen-trained technicians carrying out a thorough workshop and test drive inspection before you buy the car, to an unlimited mileage warranty covering you for 12 months. Full details can be found on our website, but please do contact us if you have any questions. Should you decide you'd like a more in-depth video tour of this particular vehicle or to arrange a test drive, then please get in touch. If you have any questions about the car, financing, or to discuss a part exchange, then we'd be happy to help. Give us a call on the number provided, or alternatively, drop us an email.